Hello friends, I am Yashwanth and you are watching Technical Yashwanth. So today I am going to review on Redmi 9 Power which was launched on 17 December. So Redmi 9 Power is a decent variant, also it's a budget friendly smartphone. So without your wasting your time, so let's get started.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. Legacies.
So first we will talk about Redmi 9 Power battery backup, which is 6000 mAh battery, and also it comes with a 22.5 watts fast charging in a box. Also it has a FHD display which comes with a 6.53 inches. Redmi 9 Power has a processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 which will give you a better performance and a gaming will be a decent. So let's talk about the camera quality. So we will get a 8 megapixel in a front camera and 48 megapixel in the rear camera. So Redmi 9 Power comes with a two variant of 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM and 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM. I will give you a price list on my description. Go and check out. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, then subscribe to our channel. Also tell me in the comment section which phone I should review on my next video.